here we'll study the chemical properties of acid and bases. Okay, one other topic, chemical properties of acid and bases, acids acids and bases. Clear? So acid and bases. So what we'll write here now? Acid here now, whenever the acid react, listen carefully, when acid react with metal. Okay, when acid react with the metal, what does it produce here now? Salt and hydrogen. Just in one of the video we have done one experiment. Clear? Salt and hydrogen is produced. From equation also you can write here. Acid react with Zn, produce zinc chloride, ZnCl2, okay, plus hydrogen. Clear? These are produced. Clear? Now the next one, bases here now. When bases react, okay, when bases react with metal, what produce here now? Same thing, salt and hydrogen. Clear? These are produced here. Now equation for this also we can write. 2 sodium hydroxide, okay, along with zinc, produce sodium plus hydrogen. Okay, this is called sodium zincate. Clear? Remember this name, sodium zincate, ZINCATE, sodium zincate. Clear? So acid and bases, if they react with the metals, salt and hydrogen is found in both the reactions. Clear? And when they react now, when the same reaction take place with reaction with the metal, reaction with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, Clear? Same reaction, if it is happened with the metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, then what is formed? With acid and bases. Clear? This reaction taking place with acid and bases again. Acid and bases. So what happens? When metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid, what is formed? React with base, then what is formed? These two will say. Okay, the first one about the acids. When it react with the acid, what is formed here? Okay, when acids react with metals, what is formed here now? When acid will react with the metal here now? Okay, metals carbonate here. First one, metal carbonate. So acid when reacting with the metal carbonate, then what does it produce here now? Metal carbonate, hydrogen or hydrogen, both you can write here. Okay, when acid react with the metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, okay, then what is formed here now? They produce salt and carbon dioxide and water. These three is the products. Clear? Whenever the acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, what they are producing here now? The product are salt, carbon dioxide and water. Clear? So here one example also we can give. Example, hydrochloric acid 2HCl plus Na2CO3 gives, what is giving here now? 2NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus water. Hydrochloric acid, sodium carbonate. Okay, clear. This is sodium carbonate. Clear. In second example, this is the first example. Second example here, same hydrochloric acid. Okay, react with sodium bicarbonate. Clear. Sodium bicarbonate. Then what does it produce here now? Sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Clear. This is carbonate, this is sodium bicarbonate. This is only sodium carbonate, this is sodium bicarbonate. In both the reactions, if the acid is react here now, it produces the same thing, sodium chloride. Okay, as salt is there, sodium chloride is nothing but a salt, carbon dioxide, water. Okay, these are the product. Clear. Now with the bases. Okay, if it react with the bases, then what happens? So bases do not react. Okay, bases do not react with metal carbonate and metal hydrocarbon. Okay, metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Clear. So clear, understood? Bases will never react with this metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. Clear. One example we can show you now. When carbon dioxide gases, listen carefully, when the carbon dioxide gas can be tested by passing, one example, okay, by passing it through lime water. Then what happens? Okay, if you want to check the carbon dioxide, we'll use the lime water only. Lime water turns into milky. In lower classes we already studied here now. So here with the equation now. Clear. CaOH2. Okay, this is a lime water, nothing but a lime water formula. Lime water. Clear. So this lime water added to carbon dioxide. So what is produced when they added here now? Calcium carbonate is produced along with water. This calcium carbonate, the color will be milky color. Clear. White color, simply white color you can tell you. Clear. Now suppose condition, if when excess amount of carbon dioxide is passed, then what happens? If excess amount of carbon dioxide passed in same experiment here now, then what happens? Calcium carbonate, already it is a milky here now. Clear. So calcium carbonate plus excess amount of carbon dioxide plus water. This is already reaction formed here. Once again we are extra amount of carbon dioxide passing over this reactants here now. This product, they are the reactants. These are the products. So if the extra amount of carbon dioxide passes through this product here now, what happens? It produce calcium bicarbonate, HCO3. This is formed here. This is the colorless one. Clear.